Welcome. Let's talk about Pi Network as the BTC today hit over $30,000 for the first time for months. Pi Network actually gained about 3.64% according to CoinMarketCap.com, and Bitcoin today actually gained 3.70% increase in price in the past 24 hours. Pi Network hitting 3.64% in the past 24 hours. Now, Pi Network price, according to CoinMarketCap, will definitely been increasing almost every day. As of yesterday, it was about 24.56 cents, and today we are talking about Pi Network trading at $26.12 at the time of recording this. Now, I believe once every project they have, because right now Pi Network have wonderful project. They're actually planning to get more small businesses to engage more small stores to start using Pi Network to accept their as a crypto-based payment for their goods and services. And if they are able to achieve this, wow, this is going to be one of the biggest achievements for Pi Network, because when better you see small businesses using Pi Network as means of paying for goods and services, this is going to be wonderful. And I believe, yes, they have great project, they have great plans. Pi Network, very soon we are still waiting for the launching of the mainnet. Now, once the mainnet is launched, Pi Network is definitely going to really increase in price. Now you can see Bitcoin today have really hit a massive increase in price. BTC hitting over 3.70% increase, and in the past 24 hours BTC have actually improved, and now for the first time in months over $30,000, and in the past 7 days over 7% increase in price. And same also goes for Pi Network. As of the past 24 hours, hitting about 3.64% increase in price according to CoinMarketCap. Pi Network is definitely going to be one of the biggest cryptocurrency, and I believe, yes, with millions of global users, they are definitely going to gain a lot of market cap. They are going to be one of the top crypto coins once Pi Network is listed and is now functioning as a full cryptocurrency. Please remember that this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision, and please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos.